That was like 90 years ago, though.
Yeah, but it still works.
Yeah.
That old school drying machine, you had like the slide rules and stuff.
And they took it with Pythagoras.
Oh shit! What the hell?
With Pythagoras?
Yeah.
What the hell is that? Rectum?
No. What?
Ah! I thought you were baiting me. I'm like, well, I'm gonna take the shot anyways.
Oh, that didn't sweet.
Good? Was that too fast?
No.
Yikes, what was that? Get that shit out of here! You know what I'm saying, man?
4 minutes.
Get up! No, you don't! Screw you! You will not do that!
What's going on there, son?
I hate you.
I didn't hang in there.
You little... Oh, if I were you, I would have taken that one. I would have bounced on like 6 sticks and gone in or something. Oh! Did you see that glance?
See it coming. What is it? 3-0? No.
It just ever so slightly edged your
Dang.
defenseman, who was off his leg. The goaltender was defenseless against their redirection. See, just like real hockey. Not this geometry crap. Steve Eisenman would never do a geometry shot. Whoa! Nick Lidstrom might. Really? Oh!
God, man.
3 minutes.
Shit! Oh, nice save, even though you weren't touching it. Mikey's sitting at the end waiting for the results.
God!
Bless
Oh!
America! Don't. You will. Oh, nice shot. Nice save. Freaking guys want to be taller than. Whoa, shit. That's never a good thing.
2 minutes.
See what I tried there?
Yeah.
See how bad it was? It's not a real shot.
Oh.
I'll take a shot.
Whoa!
Yeah. Yeah. I'll take
We'll
one.
judge
I'll
what
take
you were
it.
doing
I'll
there.
take one.
That was good.
Nice! Fuck me! Denied! What the hell was that? Mother! Don't do it. Wouldn't be prudent. Whoa, that almost worked. That's your other shot I hate. You're not supposed to have shots. You don't even have a game.
1 minute.
No, you will not get the Dave shot either. There you go.
Oh, save.
Seconds.
Nope.
Oh,
2 seconds.
shit! You could almost say I'm trying to give this to you.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good game.
Good game. Good game.
Good game.
What,
2-2?
2-2.